Hey guys, John over here at Powerhouse, and today we got another one of our brand new engines up on the startup stand. This one is for Rodney H. He's out of Ohio. This is a 2110, 150 horsepower package with all the extra polished details, painted Porsche Shroud, stainless steel A1 exhaust, fully polished, Weber's, Autolinea case. All the internals is what we normally use. We use the MP 82mm crank for the 2110, and we run the MP H-beam rods. We run the scat lifters, and we run on the cam. We run on this one is a 120 Engle cam, CNC ported heads, 4237, match ported manifolds. This one's already been through all its cycling. Like always, we do our tests. We do it for a few days. We run it, we cycle it a few days, check the valves again, and go through everything. So that's been all done. Everything's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and put it up under a load again on our dyno today. I'll probably bring it to about 5,000 or 6,000 RPM, just a final test, and then we'll drain the fluids, and then we'll get it boxed up and head it out to Rodney. So let's go ahead and get this one started and see how it sounds. Bergmann Porsche Shroud, custom wires that we always do in the back here where we mount it to the fan shroud, fully polished A1 magnet spark distributor. So that's it for this one. Rodney, thank you for your engine order, and everybody else for watching. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, check us out on our YouTube page, Powerhaus VW. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notifications tab. If you're looking for quick pricing ideas, options, go to our website, powerhousebwparts.com. Very easy to use. It'll get you quick pricing on different combos that we have listed.